getting some footage of John clearing out a dike near the depot that I work at. It's a bit dark after I use this, so I'm going to get in a better position. So I'm going to be a bit lighter. That's a bit better. He did tell me how much he was pulling out in that bucket. I'll ask him again, we'll get some more film of him. He's doing a fantastic job digging them dikes out. He also pulled out some old hedges and small trees. Be off on a bonfire with that. Street 1079, main road at the back, cars going along there, look. Right, we'll go for now. A bit more there from a distance. Making light work of that he is. John, on top of some ladders here. View. Right, we're back here to have another look at what John May's doing. Digging out these drains, clearing out these ditches. Got on quite well, I dare say, looking at it. I'll have a wander up. Looks like he's scraping up bits what he's had on setting a light to. Bits of old tree and edge and what have you. Light worker shifting that stuff about. Right, John has kindly let me have a go at sitting in this excavator. What is it, John? What make is it, this?
Doosan.
A Doosan?
18 Doosan.
Doosan?
18 ton.
18 ton Doosan. So I'm going to run the controls of the camera to John, and he's just going to give a little video of me actually trying to attempt to drive it.
Right, now we'll say something. This new man's just turned up to have a go. I think 2 words, paint and dry. But everybody has to start somewhere. To it.
Will I make the grade then, John? When can I start?
Well, we aren't over busy at the moment, so we'll give you a ring.
You'll give me a call, will you?
Yeah.
Very good.
All right.